Stop! Before you apply for a secured credit card, I want to ask you this question. Did you know that even after depositing your own money as collateral, you will still be charged with an annual fee? Many first-time cardholders don't realize this until it's late. In this video, I will explain how it works so that you can avoid unexpected charges and make the right decision. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back to our studio, and I am your online personal financial advisor. Today's question is, does a secured credit card have an annual fee? Let us start this way. Some banks charge annual fee while others waive it for the first time. Yung iba naman, they really don't charge annual fee for life. This will depend on the card and the bank's current policies. Now, here's what many people misunderstand. Your secured deposit and your annual fee are not the same thing. Your deposit serves as a collateral. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit i-approve ni bangko ang credit card application mo. Your deposit is refundable after you close your account with good standing, or if your secured credit card will be converted into regular credit card. So, isasoli ni bangko yung secure deposit mo at magiging regular na ang credit card mo, especially if you maintain a good credit standing, a good credit record with the bank. So, I'll give you a tip before you apply for a secured credit card. Ask these 5 questions. Number 1, does this secured credit card have an annual fee? Is the annual fee waived for the first year? Can the annual fee be waived through spending? How much is the required security deposit? And last but very important, are there any other charges I should know about? Taking time to check these details can save you money and will save you from surprises later. Alam ko naman that many of you, especially those who have damaged credit record with banks, would still like to rebuild their credit history. And applying for a secured credit card will help you rebuild your damaged credit history. Mag-uumpisa tayo from the very beginning and depositing a certain amount that will serve as security deposit o yung tinatawag na collateral para mabigyan ka ng secured credit card will help you rebuild your credit history. Kaya huwag mag-alala, huwag matakot. You can do it right. Basta lang alamin mo ang mga bagay-bagay that I have mentioned a while ago para hindi ka ma-surprise sa mga iba pang charges in the future. Alright, so doon sa question na may annual fee nga ba ang secured credit card? Well, ang sagot natin at para masum up natin ang ating topic for today, depende kay bangko. May mga bangko na nagcha-charge ng annual fee sa kanilang mga secured credit card. Meron ding yung i-waive for the first year. Meron din yung talagang walang annual fee for life. So, kailangan huwag mahiyang magtanong. So, ano man ang sitwasyon ng credit standing mo, maaring nagkamali ka in the past at parang akala mo wala ng pag-asa, nagkakamali ka. Meron pa rin through a secured credit card. Yun nga lang, you need to deposit a certain amount. Pero kung determinado ka talaga, then do it. Kasi importante din naman talaga na ma-build natin ang magandang credit score, credit history, and credit record natin with the bank. Nang sa ganon, we will be able to ask or request for a financial assistant through a car loan, a house loan, yung mga ganyan in the future. And malaki ang tulong ng mga bangko dahil katamtaman lamang ang mga ino-offer nilang interest or finance charge. So, start it right, but always make sure of the things you do. Kailangan kalkulado lahat at sigurado ka sa mga susunod mong gagawin. There you go. Natapos na po tayo sa maikli nating topic for today. Sana I was able to inspire you and give you idea, important information na baon-baon natin as we apply for a secured credit card, especially those na nasira or na-damage ang kanilang mga credit history in the past. Well, this is your time to shine once again. Maraming salamat. Sana makapag-subscribe po ang mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified sa mga upcoming videos natin. Remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!